So in this video, you'll learn how to format a USB storage device on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So all you need to do is simply open the Files app on your phone. And then from here, you want to navigate to your USB storage device and select it. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and look for the option of Format. Tap on it. Confirm that you wish to format your USB storage device. Bear in mind that this will erase everything that's currently on your device, so ensure that you have backups if the information is important. And once you're happy, you can just tap on Format and wait for the process to complete itself. It will disconnect from your phone temporarily and then reconnect once the format process is complete. And you'll notice now when you navigate to your USB storage device, you can no longer see any of the files that were previously listed there, which means that you formatted your USB device correctly. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this formatting process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.